Okay, in this question I will explain how to use characters, how to call characters inside a string in Python. This question is asking us just to remove specific characters from a string. As you know, a string is a set of characters. Let's suppose that this is a string. A string is called hello. Hello contains 5 characters. This is the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth. Each one of these is a character, a char. So the string is a collection of chars, characters. Anyway, a string is an array of chars. Array. So how this example works? We will see the code directly. This is the code. First of all, we will do a function. We will call it remove chars. This function will take a string and will take a number. This function will deduct the first characters from this word, from this string, the same of n characters from word. Let's suppose that the word is hello and n is 1. So the function will remove the first character of hello. So it will be ELLO, original string word, and here we will use word, the string word, as an array. When you will use it an array, we can put it like this. We will put word and then the brackets of array and then n 2 points. N 2 points. This is means that we will bring just the characters which starts from the index n from word. This is the call of remove characters, remove chars. Remove chars. The first parameter pynative. The second parameter is 4. So we will take pynative 4. So we will take just the characters after the 4. What that means? This is the we will take it after the 4th character. This is the first, second, third, fourth. So it will return tive. Just this will return native. This is the compile of the program. Remove chars pynative 4. It will return back tive. So it will detect the first 4 characters in this string, and this will detect the first 2 characters in this string. And this is it. Thank you.